So how can we help you out this evening?
This guy keeps staring at me and it's giving me the heebie-jeebies.
Okay. Which guy?
That guy.
We'll take care of it for you. Looks like we got ourselves a little problem here, Fly Girl.
Stop that!
Yeah, this guy's giving me the creeps too.
Who are you? What are you doing? Where is she?
Pretty sure he's still over there. Look, enough!
Hey, wait! It's okay. It's my boyfriend. I didn't recognize him without his glasses on.
What's wrong? Run away.
Which guy?
That guy.
We should have him back there, huh? Looks like we got some trouble here, Fly Girl.
Stop that. Stop that.
Ah!
Oh, look! Fuck!
Just think about it. How come no one's ever tried this before?
What, be an actual superhero?
Yes!
Yeah, well, you think I don't know Ballerina Slayer isn't a real game? And what kind of a loser still plays Words with Friends?
So where's the crime?